it goes toward the middle, and then it wants to go to the left somewhat in here, but I don't think necessarily it would have to go to the left out of this hole if it weren't for this gravel bar that's here. This gravel bar was deposited in the 96 flood, and the river used to go straight down through here, bend to the left a little bit, but nothing like it is now. And right now you can see it leans way over to the left over here, and down below the bridge piling here, which is incidentally undercut pretty badly anymore. You can see that the river leans to the left heavily, and that's why the bank down below is eroding. The erosion of the bank that has taken place. It's a bridge undercut. That left side has been carved back many feet in the past couple of years. The river's at about 3.5 feet, or 13.5 feet, now about 13.3. You can see how the river still wants to erode away that bank down there. It's pointed right at, actually to the left of the rocks down there. So it's going to still work on that bank during high floods because of the water won't, that's the direction it goes during floods too, because of the gravel bar in the way. Photos, there used to be a straight line from that pier downriver to that bridge pier down on the 99 bridge. You can see how far the river has moved. Really, all that cutting back in there is 50 or 100 feet back into that corner has gone on over the past several years. Now, there's a project, I believe, underway to figure out what to do so that it does not erode through the bank and on into the pond. The river is about a little over 13 feet on the gauge. It's eroding this bank over here. The last time the water was high a couple of weeks ago, took out another probably 3 or 4 feet of this bank here, and now it's cut in behind these rocks somewhat, and it's made a little drop here now. And it took away the last. There was one fir tree gone now, and many cottonwoods are all gone now. Keeps working on that bank. These 3 fir trees will go next. By my latest estimate, those blocks that are there, we're now missing about 30 that used to be up in this area here. They're in the river somewhere, downstream, obviously. The Willamette River is also at about 13 feet on its gauge, which puts it about the bottom of the blocks down in here. And once again, there's this inside little flow, only because the Clackamas is pretty high. The gravel bar is mostly covered, but there's some of it left here. That gravel bar used to be positioned up in this area, and the high waters over the past few years have just spread it out all along here. And the last high water basically smoothed it all over, and is also eroding the inside edge, the edge of the foliage right in through here. So there's what it looks like early in the year 2000.